Welcome back to my channel. Let me stop trying to sing on my intros, y'all, because I really cannot sing. Y'all are really about to get tired of me. But welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. I'm gonna be showing y'all my little salon space in my home, and just letting y'all know how I started it, what stuff that you need. But I'm just gonna show y'all how to start it off, and what are the basic necessities you need, and give y'all some tips too. But basically what I have here is, when you walk in, my cute little plant, I have my little fuzzy rug, and then I have my candle. I usually light candles just for good energy, positive energy, and it sets the mood. It's a very relaxing feel in here. And this little basket, this is so cute. I got this from Five and Below. With this little basket, I usually have waters and snacks in there. I need a little small table, so I can have it sitting on a little table, so it's not on the floor. But usually I put it on my counter in the kitchen. Usually have that for my clients, and that's an important thing. Always have water or something like that for your clients. We'll get more into details for that. So, and then my freaking flowers keep falling off my mirror, y'all. I just hot glued it 3 times, but it keeps falling off. And then over here, don't mind the TV, because my son was down here watching it. I do have my TV here so my clients can go ahead and watch, whatever they want to watch while I'm doing their hair, and we'll discuss everything later. I do have my cart, which has all my products on it. So it has my, I don't know, girl, my big jar is upstairs. So I don't know why the fuck I got this little one down here. But anyways, I do have all my products for doing hair. I have my brushes and combs for my clients specifically. I don't use any of these. I have my clips, just all the products and stuff. I do have extra hair just in case. I'll always have extra hair left over, which sometimes can be handy for my clients. And then also, these are just my clips, for when I do natural dreads. I have some Lysol wipes, and we're going to talk about that later, because that's really important. And then make your way over here. I have my little chair. So y'all, this chair is nothing special. Got this from Five and Below. Ha! Got this from OfferUp. It was for 50 bucks. Usually the salon chairs, the newer black ones, the better, sleeker looking ones, are $80. But at the time, I was just trying to be cheap, not gonna lie. So I just got this one just to start me out with, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get a black one because I don't like the way this one looks. So this one, yeah, so you can always go on OfferUp or whatever, or even on Amazon. Amazon are the ones that has them for 80 bucks. But yeah, I just got mine from OfferUp just to start me off. So yeah, and then here I just have my curtain set up right here, just to give me a level of some what's the word for it, to give me some privacy in my home. Yeah, so basically what I wanted to say was about the basket. Always have something for your clients, whether it be water, wine, juice, soda, something for your clients to drink on, because they're with you for 3 to 5 hours at a time, depending on what you're doing. So always have something for them. Like I said, I usually put snacks and water in mine, so always have something for your clients ready. So another thing too, sorry, I'm just trying to get the right lighting, because my face looks super oily, and this ring light is not helping, y'all. It's not helping. But anyway, so next thing I would say too is the Lysol wipes. These Lysol wipes come in handy, because I use these to wipe down my chairs after each client, and it's just a good way to keep clean, because of COVID, and just period of any type of cold or whatever, it's always good to keep clean and wipe stuff down. And then also have some hand sanitizer. I got some hand sanitizer here, just to keep clean, because some people want hand sanitizer, some people are just germified or germaphobe. Oh, I said germified. Germaphobes, and they just want to be clean, so just have stuff like that to offer them. So I would say set your tone. So like I said, with the candles, how it just sets the tone of my home. It's just a very relaxing area house. So when people walk in, they usually really like this little area that I have set up here. It's not really much. I know I could use a backdrop, and maybe something on the walls, I don't know, but I know I could use a backdrop for my client. And excuse my piece of hair, y'all, this little hair that I cut will not slick down. Anyways, You know, I know I can use a backdrop and stuff like that for my clients' pictures and things of that. But this is just what I have so far, just to start me off, and it's gonna start you off. So just small things like that. And I would say my TV was like the biggest investment. This little small TV right here was like the biggest investment in this area. Just make sure your clients have some type of entertainment. You know, I know they have their phones and things of that nature like that, but you know, not everybody wants to sit there and talk to you for 3 to 5 hours. You know, not everybody wants to sit there and run up their data, whatever it may be. So have, you know, an option for them to entertain themselves. And then too as well, I do have my Wi-Fi password on this cute little board. And y'all, I got this from Five and Below too. And then this little plant, that little plant I got from OfferUp too as well. It's only $10. I got from OfferUp as well. And then the cart I got from Amazon. And of course, I told y'all the chair I got from OfferUp. So yeah, and then of course my ring light, I have the big ring light, but this one, yeah, I'm missing a panel, so don't mind me. But the ring light that came Amazon, I think, as well, but my uncle got me that when I first started my YouTube, so thanks to him. But anyways, yeah, so you know, just have those things. So a ring light, a chair. You even need a spinny fancy chair like I have. Well, mine's is not fancy, but it spins and all that stuff. You even need a salon chair. You can just use a chair as long as it's comfortable. Make sure you have all your products, and make sure that your brushes and combs, or you don't use them personally. And then with the brushes and combs, I'll usually soak them in alcohol, hot water alcohol, and brush cleaner, as well as just shampoo. So I'll put some Dawn in there too, I'm not gonna lie. So I just want to make sure, you know, like the brushes are clean, and you know, I don't want to, you know, because you can't be dirty. You can't be a dirty stylist out here. So definitely I do that. And like I say, you know, keep some Lysol too, so you can spray stuff down. Make sure your home is clean. Just making sure your home is clean. You know, make sure it smells good. I got a plug-in right there. Just make sure it just smells, you know, everything's up to par. Some people are coming to your home. So I would say that's all you really need. Those are like the basic necessities for starting like an in-home like hair business out of your home. Yeah, I don't know if this really helped anybody at all. I hope it did. I know I was super duper uber scared to like start doing hair out of my home. There are weirdos in this world. So eventually I do want to move into my own like personal salon suite, like a little like room, and have it like how I want to have it. So of course that, but other than that, you know, just make sure you got something with you, whether it be your little strap, whether it be your knife, something. You can also have your Ring camera, girl. Make sure you document every person who walking in and out your home. Make sure, and usually I have somebody here with me when I do hair. I do not do hair alone because like I said, I don't know nobody walking into my home, and I don't play that shit. I really don't. So I usually have somebody here with me. I do hair. So other than that, I would say those are like the basic necessities you need, like to start your little hair, your hair business in your home. And I don't know, I just started mine not too long ago, so my clientele has been like here and there. Nothing super consistent right now, but I'm gonna speak it to existence. It's going to be, and I'm going to be fully booked, girl. My books is gonna be booked for a couple months, okay? So I'm speaking that into existence. I'm manifesting that in the name of Jesus, okay? But thank y'all for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope it helped somebody, because girl, you don't have to be fancy. You can just have the bare minimum, and as long as your work is good, girl, people are gonna come to you. So, or people are gonna come to you. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.